Hello guys! Nandito kami sa Patahian. Mga kasama ko, si Miriam, si ate, at yung the owner. Owner! Sir Ahmed is the owner. Say hi.
Said Ahmed.
Said Ahmed. He's the owner for this tailoring. So, he called us to help him for the bag and then for tailoring. So, this morning we make like this. 200 pieces. We make 200 pieces for this bag. We are folding bag. How many bag this, Ahmed, Sir Ahmed? How many bag that we fold? 1,000. We start this morning to fold. And then now, I am trying to sew. Because maybe 1970s or 1960s that I saw my mother for using like this. So I will try if I still remember. So I will try if still I know. So I will make a sash. I found a lot of cloth here. Found a lot of cloth. All that one is throwing. So I will make sash, simple sash.
Yes.
This one. I want to make sash. It can fold. Little Miss Philippines.
Little Miss Philippines talaga.
So I will try. So I will show you.
القمر يرجع لورا. اتفضل في الانتريه. ارجع استنى لا
Wait.
ماشي تمام اوكي.
He's pushing this one so that I can reach this. That's why he's helping me to move. So now I will show you. Sir Ahmed, how long you're working here? This, how long? He don't know English. Sweet. I will try to speak in Arabic. Sir Ahmed, my assistant for Arabic. Can you translate, Miriam? How long he's working here? In Arabic? Sir Ahmed! My translate. Arabic. Meet in Tashugol. Meet in Tashugol. Ahmed! Ha? Ano yun? Muskila Arabic. Really, I don't know Arabic. How long I'm working here in Oman? 7 years. I don't know how to speak Arabic. Only English. So I will show you if I still remember how to sew. Because my mother's using the old machine, sewing machine. So this one electric machine. So I will try this machine. Try. But I want to.
Oy, naglinis sila. Oy.
Yes, I still remember. I will fold this one. I will fold this. I will fold.
Okay na yung pantalon nito.
Then I will put down and then ready to kick. This is. I will use this one. I will use this for kicking. I will use this. Then
Yun na, pag nagtayo ka, ang lakas ng kamay.
and then like this. Okay. I will use two.
Ahmad!
leg. Sway,
You
sway.
need, ano yun? Sabi ko.
It's too fast.
Intiri dis yani sadi man makina. Try me.
يعني في قدامك واحدة؟
لا انتيري انا سادي عشان انا ما
ساعتين؟ ما
ايوه
فيش شغل.
ايوه ما في
خلاص،
شغل
أوكي.
انا يجي
تمام. اوكي.
It's moving, moving, moving. Okay.
uy ano yun
Yes! Done!
zero
Done. I poured already. See, 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 see. It's nice.
iwan ko sa nilalo dito ito isa
I enjoyed a lot too for using this electric sewing machine. Okay guys, bye bye.
Diba?